My name is Elina Pavlidis, and today I'll be sharing lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming has been used by different cultures from, ancient Greece to Tibetan Buddhism in order to access our subconscious, to access a different part of the brain. And so when we're dreaming, we get into the theta brain frequency. It's a brainwave that is a very deep, relaxed state in which you're able to reprogram things into yourself. Through lucid dreaming, we can reprogram deeply rooted patterns, trauma, fears, letting go of what no longer serves us by tapping straight into our subconscious. And the second we start setting that intention to remember our dreams, to become conscious in the dream, that's when the magic happens. And very fast, the subconscious will start delivering more and more message, and we start remembering our dreams more and more. And in that way, we're able to access the dream state and start invoking different parts of our being in the dreams and controlling the dream.